Okay, so now we're ready to start diving deeper into jQuery and learning about all the great features of the library. But before we do that, let's take a quick look at the features of jQuery so we can get a sense of what's going to be coming up in the course. jQuery's features break down pretty much across 8 major categories. There's the core functionality piece, and this piece implements pretty much the core jQuery functions as well as some commonly used utility methods. Then there's the selection and traversal category. And this category includes functions for extracting content from documents and navigating among the contents of the document. This is a lot of what the DOM is usually used for in modern web development, and it's a very key piece of jQuery's power. You can think of this as the query in the jQuery name. Then there's the manipulation and CSS category, and this category includes functions for editing and changing the contents of the document. So you can think of this as the natural follow-on to the selection and traversal category, where in that category you're finding content, and in the manipulation and CSS category you're taking that content and then manipulating it somehow. So this category includes functions for editing and changing document content and working with CSS data, such as positioning information and so on. That's followed by the events category, and this simplifies working with the modern DOM events and provides a lot of common event helper functions that cover some common scenarios that pop up in interaction design in web pages. Then there's the effects category, and this is where things begin to get interesting. This category contains functions for creating some basic animations and effects, such as hiding and showing elements, moving things around, fading things in and out, that kind of stuff. Then there's the Ajax category, and the Ajax category includes utilities for working with Ajax, such as loading content from remote pages, dealing with JavaScript object notation data, and so on. Then there's the UI category, and the UI category is actually a plugin. It's an official plugin from jQuery that provides some pretty common interface widgets, like slider controls, accordion, progress bars, dialogues, that kind of thing. And then finally, there's extensibility. And the extensibility category is what enables the construction of jQuery plugins that basically add on to the functionality of the base library. Now, in this particular course, we're not going to be covering the Ajax and extensibility categories because those are pretty advanced. So we're going to be sticking with the other 6. And that's the focus of the rest of the course. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started.